This is Berlin, Germany, and I'm here for 2 weeks for my school program. And I thought I would do some photography while I'm around and show you guys what the city is all about. I think I need sunglasses. I like the hat. Can I take a picture of the hat? Can I take a picture? Thank you. I like it. So the first thing we need to do is go to a bakery nearby in Mitte, and it's an amazing bakery with pretzels and all kinds of great stuff like that. So I've never actually spent time in Europe other than going to Hungary when I was like 13 or something. So this is the first time as an adult that I have visited this country and seen the people. Very different than going over to Asia where I've spent a lot of time, but still really kind of amazing to see this city, which 50 years ago or a little more than that was nothing but rubble. Old country, old land. When I first got to Berlin, I didn't record this, but I was going up these stairs with 2 really heavy big suitcases and my backpack, 6 flights up, because there's no elevator. And when I finally got up to the top, I walked over to my room and I found out they do have an elevator. It's just all the way down the dark hallway.